What's that?
Surprise! You like it?
No, I hate it. Thank you.
Well, Nana did it with me, so.
Thank you, Nana. Oh, you look pretty.
She said she was like these on PJs.
I love you. You like it?
No, I hate it. Both of you. What kind of question is that? What do you think means?
This is Monica's new room.
I'm just jealous of that poster right there. You get to sleep.
What do you like the most?
Ooh, baby.
Wake up to that every day.